Hi guys, today I would like to teach you a way to repair the charger port of all type MacBook. MacBook Air or MacBook Pro also can. Maybe you will find this joke, but yet still have some people done the same mistake as this. So let us start. Now the problem is I already put in my charger port and already plug on, but yet still cannot on. Still connect the power. So the reason is here. Can you find out the problem? Here. Do you see the problem? Yeah. And wait. Here. You see. Sorry. Here. You see? And here is the clip of the stepper. Done. See? It's okay already. It's funny, right? But some of the customers still done the same mistake, even though it's quite stupid. Okay, it's done. Thank you for watching.